Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you a simple method that may help reset the password on some H.265 DVRs. First, open your H.265 DVR and disconnect the hard drive. This step is important because it helps protect your existing recordings and data. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Next, power on the DVR and locate the CMOS battery on the motherboard. Once you find it, carefully remove the battery and wait for about 5 to 10 seconds. After that, reinsert the CMOS battery into its original position and allow the DVR to boot up completely. Now, try logging in using the default username and password for your DVR. In many cases, this process resets the DVR settings and restores the default login credentials. That's it! Your DVR password may now be reset to default. If this method doesn't work on your DVR model, don't worry. Check out the other password reset tutorials available on my channel for additional working methods. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more CCTV and DVR troubleshooting videos.